Hey everyone, Awesome Disney Toys here, and today we'll be having some fun with Play-Doh art. We'll be making the Cookie Monster. Let's start off by using the blue Play-Doh. We'll be needing a lot of blue Play-Doh since the Cookie Monster is blue. Let's start off by making his feet first. Now let's make his lower body. Grab a big chunk of blue Play-Doh so that we can make his body. Now let's make the Cookie Monster's head. Use your finger to create the mouth. Now let's use the black Play-Doh to complete his mouth. We'll use the white Play-Doh to make his eyes. Let's use the black Play-Doh one more time to complete his eyes. Now we'll put Cookie Monster's head onto his body. We're almost done. We just need to make his arms now. Our Cookie Monster is complete. He wouldn't be a Cookie Monster without his cookie, so we'll use the brown Play-Doh to make him a cookie. Let's grab a little bit of dark brown Play-Doh to make the chocolate chip. The Cookie Monster is really excited that he's getting his cookie. Yum! He says thanks. Here's the Cookie Monster and his cookie. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to watch more awesome Disney toys. Thanks.